Hi, I'm Dr. Alicia Liu from NextMed Clinic. NextMed was established in 2017 and we currently have 2 branches, one in Petaling Jaya and one in Cheras, Sri Kembangan. I have always loved art, design and beauty. When I did medicine, I have always wanted to incorporate this passion of mine into my practice. Some may say that beauty is just skin deep, but I believe when a person looks good and is confident about their skin and appearance, they feel good from the inside out. Basic skincare is a must and can be done at home. Keep skin hydrated and always use sunscreen. This prevents premature aging of the skin. Then get advice from a qualified aesthetic doctor on how to improve your skin health with customized treatment plans. Aesthetic treatment should be only done by a trained and qualified doctor. In Malaysia, please make sure the aesthetic clinic that you are visiting is LCP certified by the Ministry of Health. The clinic should display this certification and also the medical registration of the practicing aesthetic doctor. I find that Hyabell works really well to fill in the tear trough area. I also use Hyabell to create luscious lips. It looks amazing and feels natural. I've been using Hyabell for years now and I can say I love the results. My patients love it because they see the instant results, and I love it because my patients are happy and the results that I get are consistent. You can also apply some ice pack to help to reduce the swelling, and that also reduces the discomfort felt after the injection. I usually see my patient after 2 weeks to reassess their condition, but if any time before that they have any doubts or queries during the recovery process, we'll review them earlier. Also, we advise not to massage over the injected area for about 7 days to prevent the fillers from migrating. Routine face washing and application of skin products are fine. Immediately after filler injection, there might be some mild swelling and also sometimes mild minor bruising, but don't get too worried about that. It will resolve on its own in a few days. Fillers actually is a very safe procedure and has a very fast recovery when done right by a trained doctor. If the fillers are done over the face, just avoid makeup immediately after the treatment. You can start using it the next day. Probably some of you are hearing about fillers for the first time today and have more questions for me. Feel free to contact us. Our team at NextMed is always ready to hear from you. It's time you enhance your confidence with NextMed and Hyabell.